Owning a private jet sounds simple. You check the price, transfer the money, and fly away. But with the Cessna Citation Excel, the number you see is a lie. Because the real price doesn't stop when you buy the aircraft. It begins. Fuel, inspections, engine cycles, landing fees, crew currency requirements. Within the first year, owners discover they didn't buy a jet. They bought a system that charges them every time it breathes. The Citation Excel became popular for one reason. It offered mid-size comfort at light jet economics. 8 passengers, stand-up cabin, short runway capability. For companies, it replaced charter flights. For owners, it replaced airline schedules. On paper, the cost seems reasonable. Used models, a few $1,000,000, sometimes cheaper than a luxury yacht. But aircraft don't measure cost in ownership. They measure cost in hours. Let's reveal the purchase price reality. Typical market price. Early models, $2 to $4 million. Newer refurbished aircraft, up to $6 million. That sounds straightforward. But aviation pricing hides 4 categories: acquisition, operation, maintenance reserves, unexpected events, and only one is advertised. Here's where owners panic. The engines. The Excel uses turbofan engines that must be overhauled after a fixed cycle limit. Cost per overhaul, hundreds of thousands per engine. But operators don't pay at overhaul, they pay every hour. Maintenance programs charge hourly reserves, so the future bill doesn't destroy the owner later. So even sitting on the ramp, the jet is accumulating financial gravity. That check is called a major inspection. Every few years the aircraft must be almost completely disassembled. Interior removed, panels opened, structures x-rayed. The aircraft doesn't fly for weeks, but bills continue. Hangar rent, insurance, crew training. The owner pays even while grounded. So, what is the real yearly cost? Average annual ownership. Fuel, hundreds of thousands. Maintenance reserves, massive crew and training. Significant insurance and hangar. Constant, total. Often over $1 million per year. Meaning in 5 years, you may spend the purchase price again. The aircraft is not a purchase. It's a subscription to mobility. The value isn't luxury, it's time. Multiple cities per day. No airport lines. Direct regional access. The Excel became popular because it hits a unique economic zone. Too capable to be cheap. Too efficient to be wasteful. Companies calculate productivity, not fuel. And suddenly the math works. So how much does a Citation Excel cost? Not millions. Time. Planning. Commitment. The price tag buys the airplane. But the operation buys the freedom. And that's why the real question isn't, can you afford to buy it? It's, can you afford to keep it flying? Subscribe now, because the next aircraft we break down may be cheaper to buy, but impossible to operate. And once you know why, private aviation will never look the same again.